I've been trying to figure out why this vast, V-A-S-T-N-E-S-F, vastness seems different than the vastness in Africa. And I think I found it out now. This vastness kind of has nothing on the horizon that can get.
Give me a paw there, my friend. What'd you do with old Hank?
He's enjoying the scenery.
Part of the right?
With a rifle, they can really reach out and touch.
That's why we're late. You've been taking pictures. Have you seen that sunset?
Don't swear.
You can hear voices in there? What
Oh, yeah.
kind of a camera is that?
Well,
She was an alcoholic, a Democrat,
I changed my politics.
and worst of all, being a Catholic. She was a Catholic.
Changed
So
my
this Republican town almost threw her away.
The whole town, their heads were spinning, they couldn't believe what happened to Meredith.
Yeah. How's Manny holding up? Is he still grouching and griping?
His bitching has slowed down.
Ah.
But he's now seriously thinking about going out and getting one of these tom turkeys.
Aha.
While the rest of us are taking a nap.
Ah. Loafers on one shoe.
Oh yeah, look at that. I didn't even see that.
Jeez.
Diddle dumpling life.
The wind has kind of got things on hold right now.
It's gonna pick up.
That's what we're hoping. Just being here is good.
ridge above the creek. I think I shot him at about 50 yards with a 30-06 after I think Jim scared him to me.
Beautiful buck. For those who think deer hunting is easy, try getting a 220-pound deer up a hill like this after you've carried it for a quarter of a mile.
Get my footing.
Come on, just run up that hill.
Yeah, we're gonna kill that boy. Yeah,
Giving us old men a tough time.
he's my nephew.
What did you do wrong?
Yeah, you know, you're gonna put that on and mount him. We're not going through all this if you're not mounting him.
A little cold this morning, wasn't it?
Heck, don't do it. Very cold. It was very cold. Damn.
There he is. How about that, huh?
That is very nice.
I want to thank Eric for inviting me out to his beautiful ranch. It was just terrific. We had a great hunt. I want to thank all the gang down here, the gang that can't shoot straight. Just had a terrific time, and can't thank them enough for inviting me. Hope they invite me again. This is the gang that couldn't shoot straight here, but as you can see, a couple of them can shoot straight.
Well, Ron, how many shots?
One shot.
Okay. 3 deer, 5.
There was 3 in my 77 years on this good earth. I've never experienced hospitality like I have with Eric Herbst here, and opening his home and his equipment and his beautiful 1,600 acres to a bunch of ruffians who ride roughshod all over it, and yet he puts up with us. And I think he's an angel in disguise, and we thank him very, very much for his hospitality.
And so we raised our children, Evie and I, to love the outdoors, hunting, fishing, and camping. And so Peter has become passionate at fishing, and Eric has become passionate at hunting. And I'm so very happy that he has a ranch, and he invites his friends. It's a wonderful place, and to hunt deer. But what's more important than getting the deer, of course, is the comradeship and just enjoying nature.
Look at it more here. Yeah.